Hi, my name's Nick, and welcome to the Painter's Mess. So, as you can see, I've officially returned from my deployment, and I've been back for about 2 months now, and I'm very glad to be home with my family and my friends and back into painting and building and playing Warhammer and playing miniature war games, D&D, and all that other stuff. So I had a great experience, great time. It was challenging, but it was definitely worth it. And for all of those who have served, are serving, will serve in the future, thank you, and thank you for your service, because I do know what it means and the sacrifices we've made and have to make to to for our families. So thank you. I'm happy to be back and plan on bringing a lot of content to this channel. I know it's not very large right now, and I really want to make it worth something. So I want to put some time and effort into making some videos and creating content that you guys might enjoy, and kind of the content that I don't see on YouTube quite as often, with all of the big name YouTubers and stuff like that. And they're doing an amazing job, don't get me wrong. But I just want more, and maybe I'm not alone in that, and maybe I'll help people get the more that that I'm looking for. So look forward to making more videos and working on my editing skills. So with that, I will see you in the next video.